Yo, welcome to another unboxing. When everybody, I can't say everybody, but when 99.9% of people who saw these online were like, man, y'all tripping. Mike wouldn't have worn these. What are these? Are these the Memorial Day 13s? The barbecues? What are these? These are like some dad 13s. But you know what Nike does when they want to sell something. What do? They put Tinker's name on it. What did I do? Like a dummy. I bought them. But I don't know. It was just something about the color, really. Now, any other color on this shoe is probably going to be a thumbs down. But this let's look at the box first. This bread colorway though is what these are. These are the Jordan Black Cats. Now, any other time a black cat would be what? An all black shoe. That's what Jordan's doing. That's their name for their all black shoes. Is the black cat. But in this instance, the black cat is really a bread cat. So, this is what we have here. These senior citizen 13s with the strap. Walmart L3s. I wonder if it glows or not. I don't know. But, no. Can't really tell. Got your 3D here. Now, I was reading about these, and it says that they only have zoom in the heel. Now, I don't know why they didn't make it a full-length zoom. It would, I think, full-length zoom is always more comfortable than just zoom in the heel. But I would prefer zoom in the heel rather than having just the zoom in the forefoot. I mean, but those are for guards, and I'm not that. As far as playing in these, good luck. I don't know. I don't think these are made for that. Even though they said back in the, in the day when this sketch came out, maybe this would have been a performance shoe. But who knows? There's nothing on the tongue. No Jordan. You got a 23 embossed right here. Just got your standard Jordan on the inside of the shoe. I don't see anything reflective on here. I mean, that would have been nice to at least make all of this reflective. But, Jordan Brand does what they do. And hey, who am I? Because what am I standing here with in my hand? Something that I just bought that I'm talking about. So, I guess it worked. But, we're going to see, man. These aren't, I just like this colorway. It's something close to the 13. I do have the bread 13s, but, why not step the game up and get some of these dad 13s? So, there you have it. The Jordan 13. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait a minute. The Jordan Black Cat 13. So, let me focus here. There you have it. Thanks for watching.